Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of my life lately. So this is just a very quick dinner and catch up with my sister and brother-in-law at Venice McKinley. So it's my off and they happen to be here. Ayan, hinahanap ko pa. Asan ba tong dalawang to? Send sa akin ng pictures kung saan nila gustong kumain, pero panay naman lakad nila. So actually, andito lang ang mga kapatid ko because they have an RTO. They're actually work from home and they just stay here for the day. Dapat mag-staycation sila but they didn't like the place that they booked, so uuwi din sila sa amin sa Lucena after dinner. So it will really be a quick dinner and catch up kasi 2 AM pa lang gising na ang dalawang to, kawawa naman. Bangag! Sabog! I have a new bag! This is so cute! So ayan, we decided to have dinner here at Zark's. Yan ang request ng aking brother-in-law. So I'm choosing a lychee strawberry for a drink and some chili con carne hot dogs. Tada! That's his food. So many. Kain na. Kawawa naman ang dalawang to. Pagod talaga. Kaya ayan. Let's have a very good dinner na. That's my chili con carne. That's Jack's food. Namimiss ko ng kabanding ang dalawang to. Kaya lang hindi ako nakakauwi. Hopefully soon, I get to have a vacation in my hometown. Makasama yung not just my sister and brother-in-law, pero the whole family. Ayun, tapos na. Nag-restroom lang, tapos uuwi na kami. Ganda-ganda nung decoration sa ceiling. So, gusto ko rin ito pag nagbahay ako. Na talaga, hatid na nila ako. Uwian na. So, I got home at around 9:30 in the evening. Tapos from Taguig, 2 hours lang, nasa Candelaria, nakabilis magpatakbo ng bayaw ko. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's it. Bye!